Hi, this is a new version of him making a paper chopper. Lots of people ask me how to make one, so this is just a review of it. So this is what it really looks like when you flat it. See? So it looks like a triangle or something like that. See? And when you just open these fold up, you just fold it up like that, like opening that, see? And then you decrease this down and just put your wires in there, and yeah. But I'm not showing you how to make one of these before I do it. I'm going to show you a new version of making making a spongy bowl, and yeah, I hope you. And you need to subscribe first, then I'll show you how to make one. So yeah, okay, see you, bye.